NordVPN does have servers in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, and here's a clear introduction and review of how they work for users in Saudi Arabia, UAE, and the broader GCC. NordVPN UAE servers. What you need to know: server presence in the UAE. NordVPN operates servers located in Dubai, UAE, generally around 5 physical servers as part of its global network. These can show you a UAE IP address, so local services or region restricted content think you're connecting from inside the country. Most of these UAE servers are configured to support obfuscation, which disguises VPN traffic as regular internet traffic, a useful feature in countries with internet restrictions. How they work: Nord's UAE server setup typically works like this: obfuscated servers in Dubai *. These help bypass blocks on VPN traffic by making a VPN connection look like normal HTTPS traffic, a benefit in the Middle East where standard VPN connections can be throttled or blocked. Standard UAE IPS * connecting to these gives you an IP tied to the UAE for region-specific browsing or local search results. Local proximity for GCC users * Saudi Arabia and other GCC users can connect to UAE servers to get lower latency routes compared with distant servers, example Europe, though results vary with ISP restrictions. Benefits of UAE servers: local IP for region-specific services. Connecting to a UAE server gives you an IP address inside the country, which helps if you want local search results or country-specific access that matches UAE internet settings. * Reasonable speeds for streaming/browsing using nearby servers like Dubai generally means better speeds and lower latency compared to distant locations, beneficial for streaming and general browsing from the GCC. Limitations and real-world notes: connectivity can be inconsistent. Some users report that NordVPN connections in the UAE may not always work smoothly on certain ISPs, example issues seen on Etisalat versus Du, with occasional drops or difficulty connecting. Obfuscated BS standard servers. NordVPN UAE servers are often configured as obfuscated by default, harder to block but sometimes slightly slower due to extra traffic masking. Local blocking still happens. In some cases, NordVPN servers can be affected by local internet restrictions or ISP interference, so you may need to test both protocols, NordLink/OpenVPN, or try different server options to stay connected reliably. Best practices for GCC users: use obfuscated servers when in regions with VPN blocks, especially if standard connections fail. Test both NordLinks and OpenVPN if UAE servers aren't connecting smoothly. Switching protocols can help on restrictive networks. Try local ISP alternatives if one provider consistently blocks VPN traffic, example results differ between Du and Etisalat. Bottom line: NordVPN does have servers in the UAE, Dubai. They're especially useful for getting * UAE IPS, better speeds from nearby GCC regions. In real-world use, connections can vary a bit by ISP and network conditions, but with proper settings, protocol switching, obfuscated servers, they work effectively for privacy, streaming, and secure browsing from Arabia.